Okay, just a few more topics that we need to cover. Uh, we need to record deposits. Okay, so I'm going to click on the record deposits button. Now let's talk about this for a minute. We have received payments from our on-account customers, and we have also received some cash sales. So when we record payments that we've received from customers, it goes into an account called undeposited funds. Okay, it's a temporary holding account until we actually deposit it into our bank account. At some point in time, it may be weekly, you will make your deposit, or maybe daily. In a lot of cases it is daily. So we're going to select our three payments that we have received, and then we're going to click OK. Then you have the Make Deposits window open here. So notice again it lists all of the monies that we have received, and it's going into, it's actually in the undeposited funds account, okay? But we want to put it into the checking account, okay? So it's just a transfer from one asset to another basically. So you make sure you put the correct date, and then you hit Save and Close. Now let's go look at our chart of accounts. Notice our bank account here. I'm going to double click our bank account, which opens up your check register. You can look at many accounts in the check register form, and it's going to show you everything that's happened in that account. Notice we started out with our beginning capital balance of $15,200 cash. Then it shows our deposits. It shows increases first. That's $316.18 deposited. It also shows all the bills that we paid out. It says bill payment, bill payment, bill payment. When we paid our bills that we had for our purchases on account from the cake shop, the supplies company. Also it shows our rent and our electric bill that we paid. So that is what our cash account now looks like. I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's click this Write Checks button. There may be some times that you need to write a check, and you want to write a check in the formal way, and it looks just like a check here. Let's say that we had to go to Walmart, and we had to purchase, and it's not on our vendor list, so we're going to quick add them. And we had to purchase some miscellaneous supplies to do business with of $133. So we are going to need to choose an account for that. Now I said it was for some miscellaneous items. We will choose the miscellaneous expense account there and hit Save and Close. I'm going to open up the Write Checks window again, and up here is a Previous and Next button. I'm going to hit the Previous button, and notice you can preview all of the checks that you have written. Here is the TXU check that we paid our electric bill with, and it shows down here what we paid, and we're going to hit Previous again. Here's the rent we paid. Previous again. Here's when we paid our bills to our vendors that we ordered things from, the U.S. Party Supplies bill and the cake shop bill, and there's our Walmart one that we just now created. So I'm going to close that window. That's how you can review all of your checks. Okay, so that's it for how you are going to record your deposits into your bank account, and then also how to write checks and review the check register to see what has happened in your cash account.